morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class I had given the revision for unit 6. Today I will take the revision for unit 7, that is the exciting animal world. So in this lesson children, we discussed about the wild animal, domestic animal, water animal, insects and birds. When we go here and there, we can find the numbers of animals around us. We see the birds also, they are flying in sky. Yes, and all animals are part of our living birds. They all looks different in color, size. They looks very different to each other. Some animals will keep as a pet in our home, like dog and cat. Those are called pets animal. Some animals live in forest, like tiger, lion, leopard, giraffe, zebra, fox, hippopotamus, etc. So those animals are called wild animals. They eat flesh of other animals and they live in jungle or forest. Those are called wild animals. Some animals we will keep in the farms. They are called the domestic animals like sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, horse, camel. Those are called domestic animals. They eat grass and leaves. So farm animals are very useful to us. They give us milk, egg and then meat. So some animals live on land. Will you name them? Which animals live on land? Yes, cow, goat, sheep, buffalo. They live on land. So those are called the land animals. Some animals live in water. Tell me children, which animals live in water? Yes, fish, crocodile, octopus, starfish, dolphin, turtle, frog, snakes. Those animals live in water and they are called the aquatic animals. So some animals live in water and also they live on land. As frog, crocodile, snake. Animals have the 4 legs. How many legs? Animals have 4 legs, 1 tail. If you see the birds, in the birds also we get the different in color, different in shape and size. They are also different from each other. They look very beautiful because their colors are very attractive. Birds have the 2 legs, 2 wings to fly and 1 beak. They have the 1 tail. And the full body is covered with small hairs, or we say small feathers. So birds have 2 legs, 2 wings to fly, 1 beak and 1 tail. If you see the insects have the 6 legs like ant, cockroach, housefly, bee, bug, mosquitoes. They have the 6 legs and the 2 small with paper-like wings. Their wings are very thin like a paper only. So insects have the 6 legs, then 2 wings to fly and they have the 2 antennae. That is called the proboscis. Okay. So which is the largest bird in the world? Yes, ostrich is the largest bird. Which is the smallest bird? Very good. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. You know, children? And the centipede. Centipede have the 100 legs. Centipede have the 100 legs. Snake have any legs? No. Snake don't have the any legs. So these all the things, children, we have discussed in this lesson. So now I will revise whatever I given in this lesson. So first thing we'll see the first name, that is name them. Name them. So first question, name some animals live on land. Name some animals live on land. So tell me, children, which animals live on land? Almost all animals live on land. Cow, dog, tiger, sheep, and one more, yes, leopard. We should write here etc. That means still there is. Next one. Name the animals they live in water. Name 4 animals live in water. Which animals live in water, children? Tell me. Aquatic animal means what? Water animal. Yes. Fish, snake, crocodile, and here down I will write octopus. Okay, children, crocodile and octopus. Next I will write here. Name 3 insects. Tell me the insects. Right? Housefly, bee, and bug. Next we'll see 4th one. Name 3 birds. Now here you have to name birds. Name 3 birds. Right? Parrot, peacock, and sparrow. So let me revise, then I will continue. First name them. Only you have to name them. Name some animals live on land. Cow, dog, tiger, sheep, and leopard. Etc. That means here still there is animal. octopus. Name 3 insects. Housefly, bee and bug. Name 3 birds. Parrot, peacock and sparrow. Fifth one. Name 2 ground animals. Ground animals means what, children? Crawling, which move on land. Name 2 ground animals. Crawling animals. So tell me, children, crawling animals. Lizard. Then snake. Then I will make here 3, okay? Then crocodile. Next one. Name 4 animals you can see around you. Name 4 animals you can see around you. Which animal you can see around you, children? Yes. Dog, cat, cow and goat. Next one. Main question number 2 now. Match the following. A and B. Now here one side I will give the animals and another side whatever things they gives us. Cow, sheep, hen, horse, this side I will write carries load, then egg, milk, wool, and then last one, draws card. Draws card. So here last I will write down. So now we'll match it. What cow gives us, children? Cow gives us milk. Sheep, you will wear the sweater, scarf made with wool only. So sheep give us wool. Hen, omelette you will eat though? Yes. Hen gives us eggs. Horse draws the cart. Tanga, horse cart. Donkey carries load. This is the match the following. Next we'll see here. Next is what, children, here? How many legs do these animals have? Question number 3. How many legs do these animals have? First one, crow, cat, snake, housefly, tiger, next I will write deer, peacock, crow, hen, and the last one is elephant. Yes, now tell me, crow. How many legs crow have, children? How many legs crow have? Yes, 2. Cat, and all animals have 4 legs. Okay, don't confuse. So, how many legs do these animals have? Crow, 2 legs, cat, 4, snake, 0, housefly, 6, tiger, 4, deer, 4, peacock, 2 legs, then crow. See here, crow I have written 2 times. Then I will change it here. Here I will write bee. How many legs have bee? Honey bee? Yes. 6. So peacock 2, bee 6, hen 2, elephant 4. So this is the revision for children unit 7. Everything I have given. So now here what is your work? You have to copy down this all the things in EVS notebook. You will do no? Yes, you have to do it. So 2, I will give filling the blanks also. 2 filling the blanks. 2 only I will give. Tell me children, our national animal is dash. Next, our national bird is dash. So tell me the answer. Our national animal is, yes, tiger. Our national bird is peacock. This is the revision for unit 7 and the homework is same only. Homework. Write 1 time. We should write 1 time. Okay? I will write here homework. Write 1 time. This you have to write in the EVS notebook. This is the homework for you children. Whatever I given in this video, everything, filling the blanks, question answer, match the following and name them. Everything should be written in your EVS notebook. You should write and then send me in the app children. Okay? When you are writing this revision, mention the lesson name also. Up you write in the margin revision, then this write unit 7, the exciting animal world. Then you start everything, first main, second main, third main and finally the fourth main. Okay children, so this is the revision for unit 7. Write and then send me in the app. Thank you children.